this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Northern Gallion telephone. It's in very good condition. This is the initial checkout, and this is Scott's telephone from MA. He's got a note here with it, and he says there is no dial tone when it's connected to the phone line, and he's talking about a previous owner had started changing the cord. So they put a black handset cord on it, which is cloth, and they also put a black line cord, which is cloth, and the telephone is plugged in, and we do not get anything. So we need to go through that and troubleshoot that part of it and see if everything was reinstalled properly. We also want to go through the network on this telephone and the rotary, oil, clean, and adjust that, and the receive and transmit. And this telephone, the body and the condition of it is in very good condition. So I want to give you a look at the inside. And we need to change the solenoid on the bells. Basically what we're going to do is leave the original bells intact because they are attached to the frame. Now you could remove them, but I'm going to go ahead and leave them in. This solenoid is on the wrong frequency. It'd be a waste of time to try to get that to fly. It just isn't going to work properly, and we want to remove that. We also want to go through the network, make sure that's proper, and the wiring block, all the wiring, and go into the rotary like we mentioned earlier. And this telephone is in the Art Deco style. These are very cool telephones. We're going to take a short break from the video, and we're going to start working on this telephone, and we'll get some more video as we move forward in the repair. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this telephone, and we're going to run through a little bit about what went on. We went ahead and went through the rotary, made sure that was oiled, clean, and adjusted. We reinstalled the dial center card and ring that Scott sent along with this telephone. We went through the receive, transmit, repaired the line cord. We rewired some of the telephone the way we wanted it wired to work the way we want it to work. So we kind of went through a little bit of everything, and the bell was replaced. So now we want to start our final checks on this telephone, and I'll go ahead and ring the unit. I'm going to let that go a few times since that was one of the issues. I'll let it go one more time. Give you some dial tone. Now what we want to do is we want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I want to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hello, hello. So we know that this telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle. It's dialing out. It has receive and transmit. We want to go ahead and press this button on the switch box, and that totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Give you some dial tone.
Shop online anytime at Offenberg.com. Today is Friday, January 10th. The time is 10:45. Current temperature 49 degrees. Cloudy tonight, lows in the mid-30s. Mostly cloudy Saturday morning, then partly cloudy, a high in the mid-40s.
Okay. We also want to call another number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. Now that we know that this telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Scott and he can start enjoying this telephone. These Northern Electric Gallion telephones are in the Art Deco style, and they're just a really cool telephone. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.